keep coming this way.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah. Hey Gwendolyn, I want to see you crawl. Come here. Gwen, come here and crawl for Mommy. Come here.
I'm trying to
Come here, Gwen. Crawl for Mommy. Come here. Come here, you goose. Come over here.
You're starting to.
Nah. Come here. Come on.
It's in my way.
Yep. Good job. You